So we're the Upnlive show here every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by Shish Prints. We're produced by World Mag. And we are here another week with a bag of things to talk about. And a special guest waiting in our green room. As Dragon said, we have a bag of talented people in Jamaica. And wait, where you want to start
right,
it? Shall we start it?
Let me just start.
Yeah,
Because
start it off.
I play the Mercedes and I say, yo,
Right.
God know you have some artists in that Jamaica way. It's very talented, but getting not used. They're not used.
Being recognized, or they're not using the talents that they have.
Some veteran
Mhm.
where obviously is artists way have some big song in the business,
Right.
do some performance,
Mm-hmm.
and them now get what you call it the right rotation. Where them can get our people look at them as like all
Them done for because
pop
them
down thing.
mm,
and Merciless sadly is categorized as one of them.
or the
I don't-
elderly ones.
I don't know if it's because of the drinking or whatever
Mm-hmm.
make him fall in a group there, but I think Merciless is
He's a very
a
talented artist.
bad artist.
Yes, he is.
When
I
you
agree.
talk about bad war artists, Merciless is one of them.
I agree.
He's up there with the Mad Crab them, and you know, he's one of them. Yeah.
I agree. On the topic of bad artists and beer things, over the weekend, you remember Reggae Sunsplash?
Yeah.
It used to happen back in the days.
You don't know Reggae Sunsplash down a White
Right.
River, down a Ochi, you
Down
know.
a them
Nice
part
look of
there.
something.
Yeah. So over the weekend, on Friday and Saturday, to be specific, they hosted a virtual Reggae Sunsplash after 14 years of not hosting a show. And Jano, my
After
G,
a 14-year, a long time.
14-year
Yeah.
break. They took a 14-year break. Brother,
Yeah.
listen, when I tell you, you don't know some I kind of think that.
So who you think steal the show in terms of
Performance-wise?
performance-wise and delivery?
Okay. Before I reach there,
Yeah.
okay, let me answer the question. Breakout artist performance for me,
Yeah.
Rasai. I don't know if you know this guy. His name is Rasai. And his new track that he dropped recently is King Mang Ting. Ladies and gentlemen, go over to his YouTube channel. Watch King Mang Ting. Actually, go and watch the performances for Reggae Sunsplash 2020. So, it's Rasai for me.
Yeah.
Jesse Royal. I will leave put him. Jesse Royal, Agent Sasko. Massacre. But the person who top it off for me is Dexter Daps. Hands down.
Yeah. So
Hands down.
altogether, it's a well
It
put
was
together,
well put
together package.
production-wise, execution-wise, performances, professionalism. The entire production was a success from start till finish. Big up Talia, who was the host of Reggae
Talia
Sunsplash.
from IRFM, yeah?
Yes. Big her up. She did an extremely great job.
Big up Talia. I don't know my place she forward from. I don't know.
Right.
And I see she growth in
Yeah.
her craft.
Yes,
Like
she is.
not as a what do you call it, a DJ on radio, but she's venturing into more other
She
aspect
used
of
to
the
do
business.
you remember the Intent show? Yeah. So she had that.
Yeah.
She's coming off that and other projects that she has worked with, but she did an extremely great job. Remember, no audience the other day, no? A virtual it doing a my G. So for her to keep that energy,
So
to keep it on the screen,
Yeah.
she did an extremely
So
great job.
in terms of the lineup, I think that's the best lineup they have. What would you
included-
like to see on this lineup?
As you rightly said, more veterans on the show. You had Tanya Stevens. I would consider her a quote-unquote veteran.
Yeah, she's a veteran in her
Yeah,
own
she's a-
right.
in her own
In the
right.
dance aspect in terms of the lady side, because you don't really have a lot of ladies artists,
Yeah.
hardcore dancehall artists
Yeah.
who stamp in the business like she and Lady San, couple
Yeah.
of a
Yeah.
few more. Excuse me if I don't call everybody name, but I
Yeah.
can't call but
Naturally.
she are one of them who stamp them name in the dance arena.
My only downfall with her performance was, all right, you know that as an artist, you're selling a package
Yeah.
to your fans and your viewers. Me not think her attire itself exuberated that. It's like,
Yo, man, she say,
no, I might get cussing.
Mine she cuss up on Instagram call from what the Tanya now
Yeah,
play
I know, but I've seen.
I know who is Tanya.
And she's a very chill person, and she does what she wants
Yeah.
to do because that's just her nature.
Okay.
But may I say, you're not touch stage in
All
a
right.
while.
Make just quick and wrap up this guy. You know a bag of things to talk
Yeah, other
about
things
this
to
week.
do.
All right. So
That was
in terms of lineup, I'm gonna go back to the lineup.
right.
My perfect lineup, I would say, I would like to see a couple more veteran
Yes.
mix in the mix. Also with couple young artists, because people, we have some artists that break out this year, and when I see them on the stage show, we don't know them words. And in the dancehall arena, in the dancehall craft, you can't just sing song and you can't perform for the people because we see snippets are like the 6 them perform.
Right.
We know them alright, and the 6 them was from the other year.
Right.
But I wanna see like we see a bit of intense them. I never see Skillibeng perform. I never see none of the East Side crew perform. None of them. So I would like to see some of them get mixed.
Like the quote-unquote breakout artists, them.
No,
Upcoming artists.
Them not break out. But I say the hot
artists.
artists them
Right.
for 2020. The
Right.
COVID artists, because